friends, good morning. Today we will revise chapter number 9 in English, a bicycle in a good repair. This lesson is written by Jeremy K. Jeremy. You know, a bicycle is a common man's ride. It has a most become is necessary. It should be in a good condition for a long ride. Friends, these lessons we learn here some exercise question answers. First, I got off early for me. It implies that option A, it was an early riser. Second, he was a late riser. Yeah, he got off late that morning. So friends, its answer is second. He was a late riser. Now, question number second. The bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffy after lunch. This remark is dash. Option A, humorous. Option B, inaccurate. Option C, Miss third is Socratic. For enjoyable. Fifth, meaningless. Friends, in this question, answer both is correct. But I do here one. The first, humorous, and fourth number, enjoyable. Both answer is right. You take first and fourth. Now question number third. The friend shook the bicycle violently. Find two or three sentences in the text which express the author's disapproval of it. So friend, the sentence in the text which express the author's disapproval of it are: first, disapproval sentence is first number, it doesn't if you don't wobble it. Second number, I didn't see why he should shake it. Third number, I left as much as I should had he started whacking my dog. I write the answer in your notebook. But also, I write here the sentence is correct. First you show, don't do that, you will hurt it. The first sentence. It doesn't if you don't wobble it. Second sentence. And don't you trouble about it anymore. And number fourth also you write, it doesn't if you don't wobble it. वो सेकंड नंबर पे भी फोर्थ नंबर पे लिखो, आई डोंट सी वाई शी शुड शेक इट. एंड नंबर फोर्थ, आई फेल्ट एज मच एज आई शुड हैड he started waking my dog. There are 5 sentences. So many sentences in this textbook, but here you write 3. Question number 4. If not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? Means it refer to the little iron ball in the ball bearing box of the bicycle. Means here it is refer to the ball bearing of the bicycles. Its answer you write this type. If not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. In this sentence, the it is referred to the ball bearing of the bicycles. Means it word used for that ball bearing. Now, working with the textbook, answer the following questions. Question number first. Did the front wheel is really wobble? What is your opinion? Give the reason of your answer. Friends, you know the front wheel is didn't wobble. Means the front wheel wobble occasionally, but it didn't require any attention. The bicycle was in a good condition and the author was pleased with it. And also we write this type. In my opinion, the front wheel did not wobble. It began to wobble only after the man had repaired it. It began to wobble later because some of the balls were lost. Second time it is wobble because the some balls are lost here. Now question number second. What was in what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tools shed? When the author returned from the tool shed, his friend had taken out the front wheel of the bicycle. And also, he was holding the front wheel between his legs. Means his friend was sitting on the ground with the wheel between his legs. He was playing with the wheel while the other part of the bicycle was lying on the gravel path beside him. He was turning the wheel with his finger. वो अपने हैंड्स में वो फिंगर की हेल्प से वो टर्निंग कर रहा था. The rest of the machine lay on the gravel path beside him. Question number third. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happened. In this question, the narrator said, Miss Narrator's friend started that it was very easy to handle the gear case of the bicycle. Means author friends understand it is very easy to repair the bicycle and its parts was gear case. In reality, it required a great skill to the unscrew it. Means it is very easy to repair the gear case. That author friends understand. Now answer. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, but it is an impossible task to fix it back. The author friend took out the gear case easily, but he was having a nightmare in putting it back to its place. Means the author friend said, it is very easy to repair the bicycle and also very easy to that gear case. Question number 4. What a special treatment. What a special treatment did the chain receive? Author friends, the first. Author friend said first, the tightened the chain so much that could not move. And another time he was loosed but same position. Then third time it repair, that is the same as before. Answer, means question 4. What a special treatment did the chain receive? The author friends cited it to the extent that it did not move at all. उन्होंने इतनी चैन को टाइट कर दी कि वो मूव कर सकते नहीं थी. He then loosened it. उन्होंने फिर से एक बार लूज किया, but it is same position until it was twice loosened. फिर से एक बार किया, then it was before, मीन्स तभी वो पहले जैसे हुए थे. Now question number 5. The friends has two qualities. He knows what he is doing and absolutely sure it is good. Find the two phrases in the text which mean the same. So first we understand the two phrases are here. How many phrases? Two phrases. The first is cherry confidence and second is unacceptable hopefulness. Means both are phrase is that kind of that friends. Now question number 6. Describe the fight between the man and machine. Find the relevant sentence in the text and write them. Means always the fight between man and machine in regular and daily life. Friends, you know that the always you something is repair in regular and daily life. You know, the friend means author friends means fight with that a bicycle. First you say here, the author's bicycle did not need any treatment. We know the author's bicycle did not need any treatment, but also he was repaired. It was in good condition. Means the bicycle was in a good condition, but the friend of the author made a big deal and that messed it up. गुड कंडीशन में थी, फिर भी द ऑथर फ्रेंड्स टू स्टार्ट मीन्स टू रिपेयर. He's actually made it such that now it would need a lot of repair. फिर भी it is actually made such that now he would need a lot of repair. So no any requirement to that bicycle repair, but author's friends open that repair the bicycle. Start. The fight between man and machine can be understood by the following paragraph in the text. This paragraph is taken from that text. One moment a bicycle would be on the gravel path, and he on top of it. The text, the next, the position would be revised, would be reserved. He on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now he would be standing and flushing with the victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs. But his triumph would be short lived. By a sudden, quick movement, it would free itself and turning upon him, hit him and sharply over the head with on his one of its handle. Friends, when the bicycle on the ground to work at it from below, means author finds then the double himself across it, up and down side, lost his balance and slid over onto his head. Eventually, he lost his temper and to fight that both places here that man and machine, miss cycle and author's friends. One moment a cycle was on the gravel path, then he was on top of it. The same there's at that time same. The next moment means after a few minutes he was on the gravel path and the bicycle on top of the author's friends. Now friends, you understand here some question answers. This question answer is in your notebook. And when you have do not write, you write this question answer in your notebook. So friends, you understand and oral this question answers. Thank you.